Hi everyone, here we've got OnePlus 8T and let me show you how to enable Talkback mode on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and find the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom to the system, and here we've got accessibility options, so let's tap. As you can see here we've got the Talkback, so let's enter, and before turning on this mode, let's customize it, so let's tap on the settings. And as you can see here, we've got actually a lot of options which we can customize. For example, we can decide if you want to speak the passwords or if you want to feel the vibration feedback after tapping. It's really up to you. What's more, you can set the gestures. So here you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right, up, then down. Simply tap on it, and here we've got a lot of options which we can choose. So it's really up to you how you want to set it, how you want to customize it. So let me leave it like this, and let me show you how to turn on the Talkback. Just tap on the switcher here next to the use the Talkback, and as you can hear, the Talkback is on. Of course, if you will turn on the Talkback for the very first time, your device will open the tutorial, so you will be able to go through it and actually learn how to use this mode. But now I will show you the shortcuts, so I will show you the basics and the most important things that you need to know to use this mode actually. For example, in case that you've accidentally turned on the Talkback. So first of all, let me show you how to choose something. For example, how to enter the app or how to use the back button. Let's tap on it. As you can see, you will see a green frame and of course hear the feedback, and then double tap to activate. And as you can see, we just got back to accessibility settings. Let me do it again. Just tap on it, green frame, double tap, and we got back to system options. Now let me show you how to swipe. You have to use two fingers to do that. This way or this way, but in my opinion the first option is much easier. So actually here we've got the basics. So now let me show you how to turn off the Talkback. Just go back to accessibility, tap on the Talkback, double tap, tap on the switcher and double tap, choose stop and double tap. And as you can hear, the Talkback is off. So that's all. This is how to enable Talkback mode in your OnePlus 8T. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.